Good evening, students. Welcome to this video session. My name is Samuel Dominic Chukwuemeka, aka Sam Dom for Peace. In this video session, we shall calculate the descriptive statistics of a raw data, of an ungrouped data or a raw data using TI-84 family. This is a continuation of the video playlist on using technology to determine descriptive statistics. So it's a video playlist on my website. We have used other technologies like the Microsoft Excel, the IBM SPSS, the Pearson StatCrunch, and the rest of them. We've used those to determine descriptive statistics in the previous two videos. In this video, we are going to use the same data, but we are now going to use the TI-84 family to determine the descriptive statistics of that data. So the first thing we want to do is to impute the data set. Let us impute the data set. So you want to press Start, Statistics. Right now it is showing, it is highlighting on 1 in its edit. So you can either press 1 or you can press Enter, or you can press the Enter key. It does not matter. You can press 1 because it's showing on 1. If you want 2, which is the sort, you can press 2. So if it's showing on a particular one and you want that one, you can press Enter. But if you want any of these, if you want any of these, just press the number to give you that. So we can press Enter. And we have our list 1. Let's impute the data in list 1. And our data set was 105. Each one you do, you press the Enter key to move to the next line. So we had 105 as our first data set, as our first data value. Then we had 102, 95, 113, 112, 103, 97, 110, 101, 115, 116, and 110, 110. So after you impute because the sample size is 12, so after that you have to press the Enter key. And right now it's showing the 13th data value. Well, the sample size for the data set we used in the previous two videos, the sample size was 12. So, but just make sure after you impute the 12th data value that you press the Enter key. Okay. The next thing we're going to do now is we'll still go ahead and press Start. Now when we press Start, this is under Edit in case we want to edit it. Now we want to do some calculations. So you move this cursor, press your right cursor key to calculate. And here we just want the one variable statistics. Okay, so we can either press 1 or we can press Enter because it is highlighting on that one, on 1. And you press 1 and it says, okay, what is the list? And if you look at it, the list is L1. That was our list. If we had input the data values in L2, then we would change it to L2. Okay? If we had input it to L3, we would change it to L3. But we did that in L1, so we just leave it as is. We move this cursor key, frequency of the list. Well, we don't have, this is just a a raw data, so we didn't use frequency. We didn't put frequency in this case. We just use the raw data. In another video, we're gonna do a list whereby we have frequency, then we can talk about that. So because we didn't use frequencies here, we leave it as is. We move it again to calculate, and it's now on calculate. Okay, it's showing on calculate, and we just hit the enter key to calculate it. So this tells you that the sample mean is 106.58333333. That was the same answer we got, but you can see more results here. The sum of the data values is 1279. The sum of the squared of the data values is 136867. The sample standard deviation is 7.0512195338. The population standard deviation is 6.751028.728. The sample size is 12. And this shows there's a continuation, this down arrow key. So just press it to continue. Just press this down cursor to continue. The minimum is 95. Of course, it gives us now the 5-number summary. And the 5-number summary is the minimum, the first quartile, the second quartile or the median, the third quartile, and the maximum. So that's what it gives us. The first quartile is 101.5. The median is 107.5. Third quartile, the median is the second quartile. The third quartile is 112.5. And the maximum is 116. So that's your one variable statistics. I also developed a calculator for this. I'm going to put the link on this video, and you can also use the calculator as well. The calculator also has a detailed information, including the notes, the videos, the definitions, the terms, the formulas, and the rest of them. It is all in the calculator. So I will put the link on this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for listening, and you have a good evening.